not necessarily a property, but it is a lot. And before the beginning of this year, I was only looking at properties, but there's a way that you can make money just investing in land and making way more money without having to spend all your money on properties. So here I won this lot. In my next video, you'll see the property I won, but I won this lot, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this lot. Or I just might have a builder do it. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do with this lot, because this is what everybody else is doing. As you can see across the street, there are two new developments. You see them? So pretty much this lot, I won the bid for $15,000, and the houses that sold in this area are 160. So you do the math on that. 15,000, build 160, but I'm not a builder. I don't want to build, but I am going to wholesale it to a builder. But there are so many different exit strategies that you can utilize on purchasing lots. You can lease them out as well. It's just so many different, how can I say it? There's so many different avenues that you can utilize by actually investing in land as opposed to single family. But I'm going to go show you a single family house. Stay tuned, and I'm going to show you what the other bid I won for $18,000.